X and Y are partners of CA firm, one in charge of head office and the other in charge of the branch at a distance of 80 kilometers from the municipal limit. Puts a name board of the firm in both the premises and also in the respective residences. So whether they can put a board of the firm at the respective residences and whether they can put a board at a office which is located 80 kilometers beyond the municipal limit. Now, putting the name board at the firm at residences, the Council of Institute has decided that with regard to the usage of name board, there will be no bar putting up a name board in the place of residence of a member with the designation chartered accountant, provided it is a nameplate or a board of an individual member and not the firm. Firm name board is not allowed. Okay. In the given case, XY and company has put a name board of the firm in both office and what happens at least both offices and not respective residences. You can put the individual name of the CA and the chartered accountant designation you can use. You can't put up a name board of the firm in both offices and not in their respective residences. That is not permissible. So the chartered accountant here, what happens here, are guilty of misconduct. That's the thing. The distance given in the question basically of 80 kilometers between two offices, that is not relevant here because there are two partners. So two partners means they can have two branch offices. That is very much permitted. So there is no restriction on that. But the name board you can't put at the residences. That is definitely not permissible.